Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your monitor's USB hub type and connecting the upstream cable. This is the essential prerequisite. Plug the monitor's power, then run the USB-A or USB-C cable from the monitor's upstream port into your computer's matching port. Once done, make sure the monitor's OSD hub setting is turned on. Some displays require enabling the hub so downstream ports become active. You're doing this now, so the system will detect the hub and allow peripherals to enumerate. Now you connect peripherals to the monitor's downstream ports and let the system enumerate them. This is where proper drivers matter. Plug a keyboard, mouse, or external drive into the monitor ports, and then install or update chipset and USB drivers on your PC to ensure stable power and data. Once done, open Device Manager or System Information to confirm devices appear under the USB hub node. If a device fails to show, swap ports and cables to isolate the issue. To finish, optimize power and lock and reliability so your monitor USB ports work consistently. You should disable USB selective suspend and power settings for persistent connectivity and use a powered USB hub or direct PC ports if a device draws too much power. Make sure monitor firmware is updated, then reboot so changes take effect. If anything goes wrong, test with another upstream cable or a different PC port. That single troubleshooting step often reveals whether the monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.